Hey, show me how your Cookie Monster toy works. This is a new toy for his first birthday. They just opened it up. Good job, Mace. Oh. Where'd they go? Where'd your cookies go, bud?
Is Cookie Monster sharing them with you?
Oh, those look so yummy. You just gotta try them. He's like, stop tapping so I can put this cookie in your mouth.
You know what we need to do? Come here, bud. Come here. Come on. Can you walk to mommy?
Come here, bud.
Here, walk to mom.
He's like, I got my cookie. Who's being a silly goose? I've been walking so much lately. Where'd Cookie Monster go? Yeah. How are you gonna walk with all those cookies? Come here, bud. Hi. Hi, bud.
Mason.
You gonna go walk to Dad?
Mason.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, where's mine?
Come here. Oops, sorry, bud.
Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Good job, Mace. Daddy wants a cookie. Oh, that's nice of you to share your cookies.
What's mommy doing?
Hi. Oh. Cookies? Cookies for Daddy. Oops. Oh. Oops. Okay, walk to Dad. Let's turn around. Oops.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Alright. Go to Dad.
Good job. Good boy.
Yay, Mason!
You got him, bud.
Oh, there's another cookie on the floor. That stopped you.
He did a really good job of sitting down, though.
Yep.
You just gotta figure out how to get up.
Alright. Mason. Mason, can you wave bye-bye? Mason, will you wave bye-bye? Good job! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye!